Yo, in case y'all haven't heard, the blizzard of 22 just moved across the country, causing a lot of havoc in New York State. I'm from Buffalo, and I gotta tell you that it did Buffalo dirty.
Yo, shout out to Buffalo. Keep your heads up. Stay strong. God bless.
So down here in VA, where I am, though, it didn't do too much. It just dropped the temperatures down really low. It went down to 9 degrees. So I come out to the boat every time it goes below freezing just to check and make sure my heaters are still working. I discovered that one heater was not working when the temperature dipped down to 9 degrees. And normally, I'm not worried about things freezing over because temperatures usually hover around 30 degrees and I run heaters and that's fine. But at 9 degrees, I need both heaters working full blast, and they weren't. Since the temperature dropped to 9 degrees, I'm just going to give everything a once over to make sure that there's no ice buildup, make sure nothing froze over too hard, and I have no busted pipes or cracked pipes or anything. So, all right, check the bilge. There is water down there, so it's still liquid. There's no ice in the bilge. Yep, I see it moving. It's just water, so no ice there. That's good. All right, moving on back, we're going to check out the stuffing box. Looks good to me. All right, let's check out the raw water sea strainer. The sea strainer has a little drip. I probably should have, well, I know I should have closed the raw water intake and opened the sea strainer, but no one expected the temperatures to go this low. Hopefully this isn't compromised. So I'm going to have to go ahead and close the sea cock now and try to open this up. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. So right now I'm probably as disappointed with myself as I've ever been. I just dropped 2 cell phones in the bilge. So I gotta run to the tool store to try to get a grabber, something to reach down in there and grab them. They probably won't work again, but I at least need them for warranties, and they gotta come out of that bilge. Yeah, this is bad. Okay, I'm back. Let's hope it works. It came on. Oh, Lord. It might still work. Holy cow. It came on. Okay. Put in some rice. Maybe it's a cold water thing. That water is cold. All right, one down, one to go. It's a hungry Bilge today. Cell phone, magazine. Good God, I was careless. Can't believe the phone powered up. I'm trying to get it into some rice right away. I don't know if this really works. But I'm gonna keep it there and find out. It's great. I got the second cell phone out of the Bilge. I recovered both cell phones and my magazine. So I'm gonna stick this one in the rice with the other one. I don't know if this works. You see this stuff on TV. Hopefully it works, right? Anybody in the comments can chime in and tell me that these phones are going to be a loss in a day or two, or give me some encouragement and tell me that these phones will be just fine. Got all my stuff back from the Bilge. The Bilge was a monster today. It ate well, but I got my stuff back. Thank God. Hopefully it still works. Since I was in there getting things out anyway, I took the time to just grab whatever was in there. I'm gonna keep all this stuff open so that heat can get into these places and spaces. So I got the official word from a young person. My 19-year-old son told me that my phones will be okay because newer iPhones can be dropped in water and they'll still work. He said, get it out of rice immediately though, because that would damage it. He said, that's old technology. So I'm going to take it out of the rice. The screens were coming on, so he's right about that so far. He also said, go to YouTube and search for sound that gets water out of phones. Really? Really? Maybe I'm in the wrong business. Sailing channels is, it's too hard to get people to watch. But this stuff, look at this. 778,000 views in 8 months. And I'm not even sure if this will work or if this is even necessary.
but it's got all the young kids sold, and now they're passing it on to me, and I'm doing it. You could probably expect the damage control sound to get water out of speakers channel coming soon, because this is crazy. All right, well, one down, one to go. Let's try the other one. This version has an hour-long clip as well. Yeah, okay. And now this one, water eject. Play this video to eject water. I'm hooked because I don't want water in my speakers, so I'm gonna keep doing this. So these people are gonna rack up some watch time because I dropped these phones in the Bilge. I don't even know if it works, but why wouldn't I try it? I'm telling you. Damage control, water eject. Successful at getting all my stuff out of the Bilge. That was a hungry Bilge today. Now I have 2 humming phones. I don't know if you can hear it, but they're humming. I'm playing that sound to get water out of speakers on iPhones. Found on YouTube. But I am really happy to have all my stuff back.